Clark A. Thomas, TBUniversalGroup, 8 a.m. on a Friday, beautiful morning. And I just hearing these birds chirp, and I just wanted to share with you the sounds of the birds that's somewhere in these trees. Hopefully, there they are again. So they're just enjoying themselves. And I just thought I'd share this beauty of nature with you. Again, this is Clark A. Thomas, TBUniversalGroup. Remember to read my post, check out my playlists, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel here on YouTube.